Hi everyone. If you are a pharmacy student or pharmacy technician or a pharmacy graduate dreaming of working abroad, then this video is for you. Today we will explore the career opportunity for pharmacy technician in four popular destinations: the United Arab Emirates, the United Kingdom, Australia, and USA. The UAE has different licensing authority depending on where you want to work. If you are planning to work in Dubai, you will need DHA. For Abu Dhabi, it is DOH. For other parts, you will require MO, HAP, and for Dubai Healthcare City, you will have to apply through DHCC. The exams are computer based and include between 100 to 150 multiple choice question, a duration of approximately 2.5 to 3 hours. A pass score is 50 to 60 percentage. Core topics are pharmacology, pharmacy calculation, medication classification, drug schedule, and safe storage conditions. There is structured path to becoming registered pharmacist. First step is to completing the Overseas Pharmacist Assessment Program, commonly known as OSPAP. After this, you will undergo 52 weeks of GPC approved foundation training. Finally, you will appear for the registration assessment. Passing all these stages allow you to register and practice professionally in United Kingdom. Next is Australia. International pharmacy graduates are required to clear Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment or OPR examination conducted by Australian Pharmacy Council or APC. And this exam looks like 120 MCQ for 150 minutes. Computer-based testing there. The examination evaluates clinical knowledge, pharmaceutical science knowledge, and practice safety in Australia. You should remember each and every calculations, pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry, and ceutics as such. Next is pharmacy technician exam in US, one of the most recognized certification, that is pharmacy technician certification, commonly known as PTCE. The good news is that eligible candidates from countries like India can take this exam through online live remote. Proctoring depends on the current test policies. PTC consists of 90 multiple choice questions. You have to complete it within 120 minutes and score scale between a passing scaled score of 1400 on a scale of 100,000 to 16,000 to 1600 is common. The exam core topics are the medication, patient safety, order entry, and federal requirements. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.